Here's how you can fully automate all of your reporting in just a few seconds using our AI automations. For example, this is for an insurance company. So all you have to do now, you log into the insurance carrier portal or whatever website you're downloading your reports from. You're going to download the original file, save it into a folder. The script you're going to use is going to be located in the exact same folder. And then you're going to run this, and it's going to automatically process this file right here. And then it's going to create a brand new file for us that's perfectly formatted. So just to show you real quick, this is the original file here. You can see there's a bunch of additional columns of data we don't necessarily need that don't need to be in our final report. And instead of manually doing this, we have trimmed this process down to a few seconds. So now we can fully automate this entire process. So all that we're gonna have to do is just run this on your computer. So we're gonna build out this entire thing for you, show you exactly how to do this, and this process will be so much faster and easier for you going forward. Just so you can see real quick, as soon as we run this, it generates a brand new file over here that is perfectly formatted. And then we're just going to open it up real quick so you guys can see the finished result. And now you can see that we have successfully extracted all the data that we needed from the original file, and it is now perfectly formatted so we can generate reports in seconds now instead of spending tons of time essentially doing a very repetitive and redundant task that can easily be automated. So I hope that helps. And essentially this process can be used on anything you can possibly think of. Like you can use this on CSV files, Excel files, HTML files. So if this sounds like something you can potentially be interested in, please click the link below. We love to hear from you.